Another look at the live streaming webcam. It's at Evans Head Bar Crossing. Welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel, where 92S is on its way to being upgraded to a tropical cyclone, which will be the first one for a WA for the 2017-18 summer period. The Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre over in Perth has in place advice number 2, damaging winds possible on the West Kimberley coast from Wednesday night as tropical low intensifies. There's a cyclone watch for Cape Leveque to Whim Creek, including Broome and Port Hedland. The tropical low sustained winds near the centre of 45 kilometres per hour with wind gusts of 85 kilometres per hour. Location within 150 kilometres of 15.0 degrees south, 123.8 degrees east, and it's estimated to be 365 kilometres north-northeast of Broome and 255 kilometres north of Derby. Movement at this point in time is south-southwest at 13 kilometres an hour. Low is developing off the West Kimberley coast and is likely to form into a tropical cyclone late Wednesday or early Thursday as it moves towards the south-southwest parallel with the coastline. Gales may occur along the coast from Cape Leveque to Broome, apology for the pronunciation, as early as Wednesday night or more likely during Thursday morning. Gales may extend down the coast during Thursday as the system approaches the east of Pilbara coast. Gales are possible at Port Hedland Thursday night if the system takes a more westerly track. And heavy rainfall expected in coastal parts of the West Kimberley, eastern Pilbara during Wednesday and Thursday. However, major flooding is not expected, and here is the latest track on the developing system, and you can see that it will reach category 1 status around 2 a.m. on the 28th, upgraded to possibly category 2 at 8 p.m. on the 28th. Now here are a couple of tracks, and the picture is changing, and look at that outline in the green. It shows it coming down into South Australia to the north of Broken Hill and over to the north coast of Queensland. Here's another one, and possibly shows it tracking as a low pressure system towards the area south of Fraser Island to northern New South Wales. Now here's the latest model run, the GFS, for 850 millibar pressure and wind in knots. And whilst doing this update, the Bureau of Meteorology in New South Wales and Brisbane have severe thunderstorm warnings in place. But this update will focus on the developing tropical scene. Here's the latest upper level divergence, and it has slightly weakened. It was 50 knots this morning. Now here's the wind shear, and not much room to move in when you look at the unfavourable area, which is in the red. The 24-hour deep layer wind shear, and it looks like it is decreasing. Sea surface temperature, as mentioned in our earlier update, is a very healthy 31 to 32 degrees Celsius. The 850 millibar vorticity. Now here's a look at the Kimberley 8 rainbow view of the region, and you can note the white in the convection. That's the cloud tops possibly cooling. And this is the enhanced infrared imagery. And unfortunately, the NOAA floaters aren't available because there's a major shift from a NOAA website to the GOES 16, which has been changed to the GOES Eastern. So there's no floaters available to at least January the 2nd. Storm relative 16 kilometre geostationary water vapour imagery. And it's a storm relative 16 kilometre microwave base total precipitable water imagery, and the purple is the highest. And on this one, the scale is at the bottom of the screen. So the white would be the highest for precipitation, the value. Now we have a look at the ECMWF 850 millibar cyclonic vorticity, wind in knots and pressure. And what I'm looking at is the black. Now this is the UK Met model. It's a spaghetti model. And a possible track. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre has upgraded their position to a medium for Invest 92S, and they should upgrade it to high within the next 24 hours.
You can follow Force 13 on any of our many outlets, the website force13.com and its tracker. Of course, we're on YouTube. You're probably watching us there, but if not, there it is. You can also find us on Facebook, search Force 13, all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, also all in text. You can also add Fool 13 on Skype and add extension 9094 on Discord.